fastest trains in the world, 2020. Number 10. THSR 700T in Taiwan. The top speed is 186.4 miles per hour, or 300 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 186 miles per hour in just 15 minutes. Number 9. Frecciarossa in Italy. The top speed is 190 miles per hour, or 306 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 190 miles per hour in just 12 minutes. Number 8. Alstorm Euroduplex in France. The top speed is 198.8 miles per hour, or 320 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 198.8 miles per hour in just 10 to 12 minutes. Number 7. Shinkansen Hayabusa in Japan. The top speed is 198.8 miles per hour, or 320 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 198.8 miles per hour in just 5 to 7 minutes. In Germany. The top speed is 205 miles per hour, or 330 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 205 miles per hour in just 12 minutes. Number 5. Talgo 350 in Spain. The top speed is 217.4 miles per hour, or 350 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 217.4 miles per hour in just 12 minutes. Number 4. AGV Italo in Italy. The top speed is 223.6 miles per hour, or 360 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 223.6 miles per hour in just 10 minutes. Harmony CRH in China. The top speed is 236.1 miles per hour, or 380 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 236.1 miles per hour in just 6 minutes. Shanghai Maglev in China. The top speed is 268 miles per hour, or 431 kilometers per hour, and the acceleration is 0 to 268 miles per hour in just 4 to 5 minutes. Number 1, SC Maglev in Japan. The top speed is 374.7 miles per hour, or 603 kilometers per hour. And the acceleration is 0 to 374.7 miles per hour in just 2 to 3 minutes.